This is one of the cheapest, or I would say like moderate priced earbuds from Sony. And I got it from Amazon, and it's a genuine Sony earbuds, so I got it in offer. Its price is around give or take $60, $60 to $70, but I got it pretty cheap. It was on 37% on Amazon as an offer, with an offer. This is Sony WF-C510 truly wireless earbud. So we'll check Sony's quality with the unboxing. So let's get started. I'm not okay. So the packaging seems okay. Holy smoke. Alright. We are in, guys. We are in. So this is the bud. It is Sony WF-510. You can see. And it's released in September 2024, and it is hi-fi. It says hi-fi. You can see it's glossy, shiny. It is a 5-star rated hi-fi. So we'll see. It has 360 reality audio. It's kind of like that Apple's sound with 360 audio. It has 11 hours on the buds and 11 hours on the case. It has multi-point. Multi-point means you can connect this earbuds with two devices simultaneously, and it supports ambient sound. So that means it has noise cancellation on it. Obviously, Sony's packaging is best. It's top in the quality. You can use one-side use. You can do. That means you can do hands-free call. And this is IPX4. So IPX4 you means it's just you can probably go to gym, you can do general running, walking, but not you cannot swim with it. So that's it. Is Sony. Let's open it and see. As usual, there is a seal in here. Let's try to open it. Oh, holy smoke! It's very feather sleeve. Okay, done. Ooh, nice. So there is an QR code. Sony is environmental friendly, but yes, absolutely, this is so good. You can see this is superb. I can tell you this. Holy smoke! There is a manual. You need an app, Sony app. You put it, then connect the app. Very straightforward. Probably you don't need to read it. It's a very big. I'll kind of forget about it. The packaging is very minimal. Let's open this one. The peeling noise is always good. By the way, this is a gift for my wife. So my wife will use it. She has several other earbuds, but she didn't have any Sony earbud, which is the best in the market. So it doesn't have any charging cable, but it's an USB-C, and there are lots of extra air tips, nicely packed, so you can use it whatever you like. Let me put it back. The manual should go here. Done. Very straightforward. There you go. Let me build this. Oh, so you can just, this is like super glued, okay? Oh, very nice. Sony finish. Sony logo here. Oh, it has battery on it already. Damn, Sony, you did really well. The finish looks superb, and it's very lightweight, so anybody can carry with it. There is a button for pairing, I think. You can long press it or whatever. Nice. So please like and subscribe my videos and channels. It will be very helpful for me. And in my next video, I will try to share its performance, how did my wife like it or not, and everything. Okay, take care and peace.